Content creation is one of the most popular and biggest industries. You just have to select a perfect topic and create engaging content to achieve quick success. However, creating engaging and researchful content is not a bed of roses. You have to work a lot to produce top-notch content. Fortunately, like other industries, AI brings a huge revolution in the content creation industry as well. Now you can create engaging content with just a single click. In this video, I am going to introduce an AI tool that can create a publish-ready video in your own voice using simple text prompts in any language within a few minutes. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Introducing Invideo AI, a popular video generator tool. We've already made a video on it. If you haven't watched the video yet, you can watch it by clicking on the I button. First of all, create an account with your email or Google account. This is how the Invideo video generator looks. We have to enter the prompt in this box. Before creating the video, let's turn on the Invideo new beta feature. It will provide some extra benefits. Click on the profile icon here and then click on Settings. In the Settings tab, you will find the beta option. Turn it on. Now click on Create New to return to the generation page. Now let's talk about another interesting feature of Invideo. Now you can clone your voice and generate videos in your own voice. To clone your voice, click on the Clone Your Voice button here, and then click on Add Voice. In the next step, you will get instructions on how to clone the voice. First, we have to submit a recording of at least 30 seconds. Mention that I give Invideo AI permission to use my voice in this workspace. Pause in between sentences as you normally would. And use high-quality recording equipment. No, you don't need a fancy microphone. Just try to record a voice without any background noise. If you are not sure what you should record, you will find a 30-second script to create your voice recording on our Discord server's prompt guide channel along with other prompts. Join our Discord server from the link in the description box. After recording the voiceover, click on Choose File here and then upload the audio clip. Check all the permission boxes, and your AI voice will appear here. I'm just going to go ahead and change the name and then click right here on Use, and this will redirect me to a new prompt screen on Invideo with my voice settings automatically added to the prompt. Now write a detailed prompt in this box. If you write a garbage prompt like create a video on how to make a cake at home, you can't expect great results. I am entering a ready prompt, where you can notice that first, I mention the video platform, then the video topic in detail, after that, the narration quality and intro description. Next, I mentioned the background music and subtitle. And finally, you may have noticed a web link. One of the best parts about this tool is that you can give the AI reference material to pick information from. This is great because it means that you will always get accurate information in your videos. Just make sure that you pick it from a reliable source. I will put a sample prompt in the prompt guide channel of our Discord server. You can copy and fill in the blanks to create your own videos. If you are still confused, you can use the workflow settings. Select the video templates or platform, then video duration, video topic, optional prompt, and background music. In settings, set the voiceover, subtitle, and watermark. Invideo will generate a detailed prompt for you. After entering the prompt, hit the Generate a Video button here. In the next step, we have to customize our prompt by choosing your intended audience and the look and feel of our video. I am going to proceed with the YouTube creator. Then when you hit continue, the AI will generate your first draft in just a couple of minutes. Let's go ahead and take a look. Ever wondered why some videos just look so much better than others, even if they're shot on the same camera? Well, the secret sauce often lies in the lighting. Lighting is like the unsung hero of video production, subtly but significantly influencing the mood, storytelling, and overall quality of your video. How was this? Let me know in the comments section. In my opinion, it was great. In just 5 minutes, Invideo AI has given us a full-fledged video complete with the right script, music, hyper-relevant stock media, and a voiceover that sounded very much like me. This brings me to step 3, which is customizing your video and making it publish ready for your channel. For basic changes, you can just use this command box right here and tell the AI what you want. For example, I want to regenerate this video in Spanish. Yes, now with Invideo AI, you can generate videos in any language and with your own voice. You can clone your voice in English and change it to any other language. Let's try the feature. I am typing, change the language of the video to Spanish. And here it is.
Cuando se hace bien, la buena iluminación puede mejorar el profesionalismo de tu video, haciéndolo visualmente atractivo y atractivo.
Although I don't understand Spanish, it sounds good and obviously in the same voice. That's impressive. In this way, you can generate videos in any language, even if you don't know this language at all. Not only for the current video, you can also translate the previous project. Like the voiceover, you can translate the subtitle as well. Now what if I want to change media from any particular scene of my video? We can do it with a text prompt. For example, I want to change the first scene media, and I am typing change clips in scene 3 to show a person sitting on a computer. And here it is. The media has been changed. Now let's change the BGM to ambient music. Just type what you want, and you will get the result. In this way, you can edit any part of the video, customize the BGM, add CTA, and all others. Now what if you want to customize or edit the script? Just click on this edit option right below the canvas and then go to the edit script option. Now you can rewrite or customize the script according to your needs. And if you want to customize or change any media, come to the Edit Media option. Here you can upload any media from your device or use from the vast library of 30 million plus stock media. You can even use premium stock videos from iStock. Just search for your desired stock videos or images. After finding the footage, select the scene you want to replace, and then click on the footage you want to use. You can see that it gets placed on top of the original, meaning that it has been replaced. Once everything is done, go ahead and click Apply, and Invideo will make all of the changes for you. With that, your video is ready. Now, all you need to do is hit the Export button. Now it's very important. First, select the video resolution. You can select up to 4K. I will keep it at 1080p. Next is the watermark. If you want to export without a watermark, then you have to buy a premium subscription. The voice clone option is also only available to paid users, but this AI tool gives you functionality that no other AI tool in the market is providing right now, which means for as little as $20 a month, you can create exceptional videos that put you miles ahead of the competition and give you a chance to earn thousands of dollars from your videos per month. You can try the free version as well. I will put the link in the description. Another piece of good news is that you can use my discount code from the description to get twice the number of video generation credits in your first month. Alright friends, after all is set, click on the Continue button. Now it will take some time to generate the video. I will skip this part. And our video is ready, let's enjoy the video. Ever wondered why some videos look so much better than others, even though they were shot with the same camera? The secret ingredient often lies in the lighting. Lighting plays a subtle yet significant role in video production, like I think it's an extraordinary video. So to generate this kind of video with a single click, don't miss trying Invideo AI. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about the Invideo Video Generator AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!